DataLeeq School of Analytics, where dreams do come true. What you will learn: Excel Basic to Advanced Database Systems, and SQL in Microsoft SQL Server Integration Services, SSIS, SQL Server Reporting Services, SSRS, SQL Server Analysis Services, SSAS, Microsoft Azure Fundamentals, Microsoft Power BI, Tableau, AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner courses, Python for Data Science and Machine Learning. Duration: 4 to 6 months. Job Placement Services. We help you with creating or updating your resume, cover letter, LinkedIn profile in major job search sites, connect you with recruiters and hiring managers, coach you for job interviews, advise you on job search, and we provide career mentorship services uniquely customized to your needs. Internship opportunities based on available opportunities and your performance in the bootcamp training. Annual salary range for jobs related to our training packages: $50,000 up to $200,000 depending on skill, experience, location, employer, and responsibilities. Job growth: 23% growth year-over-year in the US and Canada. DataLeeq School of Analytics, unlock your data superpowers with our bootcamp training packages.